Nice to meet you everyone. Today, we will go through step by step how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and how to complete the KYC verification process. Let's get started. First, if you sign up through the link below this video that you are currently watching, you can receive a 20% discount on Binance trading fees, and various bonus rewards, so we recommend signing up through the link below the video. First, let's look at how to create a Binance account. If you access through the link below the video, the official Binance registration page will open. On this screen, you can see that the 20% Binance fee discount and bonus benefits have been applied. First, in the ID input field, please enter your email address or mobile number. Then check the box agreeing to the terms below, and click the Continue button. Please select the image that corresponds to the word displayed in the top left corner. When a verification code is sent to the email or mobile number you entered, please enter that verification code. Now enter your password. The password must include at least one uppercase letter, lowercase letter, and number, and must be at least 8 characters long. Then the account creation will be completed. If the inviter code input screen appears, please enter BB333. Then you will receive the 20% Binance trading fee discount and bonus rewards. Now your Binance account has been successfully created. Second, let's look at how to complete Binance KYC verification. To use deposit, withdrawal, and trading functions on Binance, the KYC verification must be completed. Since the face verification is required during the KYC process, we will continue the process on mobile. Please install the Binance app on your mobile device. And once the installation is complete, open the app. Press the login button and log in with the account you just created on your PC. Then the KYC verification step screen will appear immediately. First, select your nationality and proceed with identity verification. Among the ID types below, please choose one form of identification that can be used for verification. In today's video, we will select passport. Press Take Pictures to photograph the ID, and then press the Continue button below. Now align the information page of the passport with the camera screen, and take a clear photo without light reflection. Next, proceed with face verification for identity confirmation. Align your face with the camera screen, and nod your head or blink your eyes. Then the KYC verification process will be completed. Now the KYC verification review will proceed for about 1 hour, and shortly afterward you will be able to see that the verification has been completed. Third, let's look at how to set up Binance two-factor security. Please move back to the Binance PC screen. Click Account from the left menu, and select the Security menu to set up security. In today's video, we will set up two-factor security using the Authenticator app. Click the Manage button on the right side of Authenticator app. Then click Enable Authenticator app. When a verification code is sent to your email or mobile number, please enter that verification code. Then the Authenticator link pop-up will open. Now install the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. Then press the plus button at the bottom right of the Google Authenticator app, and press Scan a QR code. Next, scan the QR code displayed on the PC screen. Then a 6-digit code with the name Binance will be generated in the Google Authenticator app. Please check the generated 6-digit code. Then move back to the Binance PC screen and click Next. Next, in the Authenticator app code field, enter the 6-digit code generated in Google Authenticator. Then you will see that the two-factor security setup has been completed. Today we went through how to sign up for Binance, the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, and how to complete the KYC verification process step by step. If you encounter any difficulties or have any questions while signing up, please leave a comment. If you enjoyed today's video, please subscribe and like. Thank you very much for watching.